Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best pickleball paddles. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Struggling to control your shots in pickleball? Do your dinks float too high or your drops lack precision? If you're tired of losing points because of inconsistent control, this might be exactly what you need. Meet the Selkirk LUXX Control Pickleball Paddle, designed for players who want ultimate control and consistency on the court. This paddle features a carbon fiber face, giving you a smooth, responsive feel with every shot. Inside, it uses a polypropylene X7 core, which enhances control while reducing vibration. One standout feature is the InfiniGrit surface technology, providing long-lasting spin and better ball grip. The Invicta elongated shape offers extended reach and added power, perfect for strategic players. Plus, the 4¼ inch grip ensures comfortable handling for extended gameplay. Pros: excellent control and touch. Durable carbon fiber build. Great spin performance. Cons: premium price point. Not ideal for beginners seeking power-heavy play. This paddle is perfect for intermediate players who prioritize control, finesse, and spin. If your playstyle focuses on placement and strategy rather than brute power, this is a great fit. Priced at $279.99, it's definitely a premium option, but for serious players, the performance and durability make it worth the investment. Number 4. Introducing the Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle, a versatile, budget-friendly option built for players of all skill levels. This paddle combines a fiberglass hitting surface with a polypropylene honeycomb core, delivering a great balance of power and control. The graphite frame adds durability while keeping the paddle lightweight and easy to maneuver. It features a comfort grip system with a 4¼ inch grip, reducing vibration and improving handling during long matches. The optimized tubular construction enhances stability and gives you a solid feel on every shot. Overall, it's designed to provide a forgiving sweet spot perfect for consistent performance. Pros: very affordable price. Good mix of power and control. Comfortable grip with reduced vibration. Great for beginners and casual players. Cons: not as premium and feel as high-end paddles. Spin performance is average. Less suited for advanced competitive play. This paddle is ideal for beginners and recreational players who want a reliable and easy-to-use option. Also great for anyone looking for a budget-friendly upgrade without sacrificing basic performance. At just $49.95, it offers excellent value for money, making it one of the best entry-level paddles available today. Number 3. Introducing the Selkirk Vanguard Power RS2, a high-performance paddle built for players who want explosive power with refined control. This paddle features a hybrid face combining carbon fiber and fiberglass, delivering both power and responsiveness. It uses 360 degrees proto-molding technology, enhancing structural strength and creating a consistent feel across the entire paddle. The flex foam perimeter increases durability while expanding the sweet spot for better accuracy. Weighing around 8.1 ounces, mid-weight, it offers a perfect balance between speed and power. The S2 shape provides a larger face for control and forgiveness, making it easier to handle fast-paced rallies. Plus, the 4¼ inch grip ensures comfort and stability during intense gameplay. Pros: explosive power with solid control. Large sweet spot and forgiving design. Premium build quality and durability. Great balance for aggressive play. Cons: expensive compared to entry-level paddles. Might feel slightly heavy for beginners. Requires good technique to fully utilize power. This paddle is best for advanced players who want to dominate with power while maintaining control. Perfect for aggressive players who rely on fast drives, smashes, and competitive play. At $206.85, it sits in the premium range, but you're getting elite-level performance, cutting-edge technology, and long-term durability. If you're serious about improving your game, this paddle delivers strong value for the price. Number 2. Introducing the Onix Graphite Mod Z5, one of the most popular pickleball paddles known for its balance, control, and beginner-friendly design. This paddle features a graphite face, delivering excellent touch and quick response for precise shots. The polymer honeycomb core helps reduce vibration while maintaining control and consistency. Its wide body shape creates a larger sweet spot, making it more forgiving on off-center hits. Built with a carbon fiber frame, it offers durability without adding extra weight. Weighing around 0.49 pounds, it strikes a nice balance between power and maneuverability. The cushion comfort grip, 4¼ inches, provides a secure, comfortable hold perfect for long matches. Pros: large sweet spot and very forgiving. Great control and touch. Comfortable grip with reduced vibration. Trusted and widely popular model. Cons: power is moderate, not explosive. Spin potential is limited compared to newer paddles. Design is more traditional, less premium feel. This paddle is perfect for beginners to intermediate players who want a reliable, easy-to-use paddle. Also ideal for players who focus more on control and consistency rather than aggressive power. At $66.06, it offers excellent value, sitting right between budget and premium options. For the performance, durability, and reputation, it's a smart investment for most players. Number 1. Introducing the Joola 3S Pickleball Paddle, a pro-level paddle line designed in collaboration with Ben Johns for ultimate performance. This paddle features a raw carbon fiber surface, giving you exceptional spin and precise shot control. It comes in multiple shapes like Perseus, Hyperion, Scorpius, and Magnus, offering options for different playstyles, from elongated reach to wide-body stability. The 14mm core provides a faster, more responsive feel, perfect for aggressive gameplay. Built with a fully carbon fiber structure, it ensures durability while maintaining a lightweight design. The arrow curve design improves swing speed and reduces drag, helping you react quicker during fast rallies. Plus, it's UPAA certified, making it tournament-ready right out of the box. Pros: excellent spin and control with raw carbon surface. Multiple shape options for different playstyles. Lightweight with fast swing speed. Tournament-approved performance. Cons: premium pricing. 14mm version offers less control than 16mm. Grip size may feel small for some players. Perfect for intermediate to advanced players who want a balance of speed, spin, and control. Ideal for competitive players who like fast-paced, aggressive gameplay with precision. At $179, it sits in the mid to premium range, offering pro-level features without the highest price tag. Great value if you want performance similar to top-tier paddles at a slightly lower cost. Want to upgrade your game? Check the link in the description to grab yours today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more honest pickleball reviews.